last paragraph of this chapter, that is Adventures of Toto. So in the previous paragraph we have seen the mischievous activities of Toto, where he did mischievous activities with pulao, with the dish. At this incident, grandmother became very angry. She cried a lot. She started screaming. Now come to the last paragraph of this chapter. Obviously, Toto was not the sort of pet we could keep for long. So after this incident, everyone has realized that Toto was not a sort of pet we could keep for long. Toto cannot be kept for long at home. He was not such kind of pet animal. That was the opinion of the family member. Even grandfather realized that. Grandfather who bought Toto from Tonga driver, he also realized that Toto could not be kept for a long time at home. We were not well to do and could not afford the frequent loss of dishes. So this is the opinion of each and everyone, that everyone is not going to uh, bear the loss of dishes in such a way as Toto had done. Loss of clothes, curtains, wallpapers. So grandfather found the Tonga driver and sold Toto back to him for only 3 rupees. So finally Toto was sold to Tonga driver for only 3 rupees. Remember at what amount grandfather purchased Toto from Tonga driver? That is 5, and here he again sold it to Tonga driver at the cost of 3 rupees. सो इस पैराग्राफ में राइटर कहता है, अब ये बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह से क्लियर था कि टोटो जो है इस तरह का एनिमल नहीं है जिसको कि घर पे रखा जा सके लंबे समय तक के लिए। ग्रैंडफादर को भी इस बात का एहसास हो जाता है, इसलिए एहसास हो जाता है, और घर के लोग ये नहीं चाहते हैं कि इसको घर पे रखा जाए, क्योंकि इसके घर पे रहने से लॉस होता है किसका, डिस्क का, क्लॉथ्स का, कर्टेंस का, वॉलपेपर्स का क्या होता है, लॉस होता है। तो सब ने डिसाइड किया कि टोटो को क्या है, घर पे नहीं रखा जाना चाहिए, और इसीलिए ग्रैंडफादर क्या करते हैं, टोंगा ड्राइवर से मिलते हैं, और टोंगा ड्राइवर से मिलने के बाद उसको 3 रुपये में टोंगा ड्राइवर को फिर से बेच देते हैं। तो इस तरह से हमने देखा कि टोंगा ड्राइवर के पास जो है टोटो फिर से पहुंच जाता है। सो हियर इन दिस चैप्टर the writer has described the mischievous activities of Toto. That's why what is the title of this story? That is The Adventures of Toto.